I'm Ron Argent, I'm CEO of TES Enterprise Solutions. We're a fairly young company. We've been around since 2012, but we've grown quite quickly. We've got turnover now of multi-millions. We deal with very large organisations in the IT business. We're basically we started off as a specialist in Z systems. That's the old mainframe systems IBM used to do. We tend to think of more as open systems now as well as old systems. So we started offering services around mainframes. That's where our core skill is. We have over 150 years experience in the mainframe business, spread across sales, design, implementation services. So we started off concentrating on the area, but we found that our customers now are asking for other things. So we've now moved into storage, we've moved into cloud provisioning, we've moved into a consultancy. So we're trying to provide services across the whole scope of IT. Now we are also working with companies now looking at IT infrastructure and look at designs around that. We're also looking at application design. So we've got some quite key projects going on there, which I think will excite most people in the world as well as IT. One example is Whitecube, who's an art company. They wanted to refresh their technology. In itself, it wasn't that challenging because it's purely buying a new box, taking the old one out, putting a new one in. But the actual process of changing a box was very challenging because we had to get a one-ton machine up 3 flights of stairs, and just that took about 2 weeks worth of planning. We had to get engineers over from France to strip the machine down, specialised removal men to bring the machine up the stairs. We did time-lapse video of it, which is quite entertaining. But at the end of the day, the customer is extremely pleased because of the way we went beyond the remit to help them provision the piece of technology they really required. We work with major computer service integrators, CSIs, who look to IBM technology to provision their services to their downstream clients. They see us as a key component of their design and delivery of their services, where they work with us and utilise our skills to ensure that services they provide to their downstream clients is one that's at optimum cost and optimum service levels. It's very important for us. Our main motto is customer comes first. So customer comes first, and we are very, very keen to always go for a win-win because we know that customer service is ultimately the thing that brings return business. So everything we do is focused on what is good for the customer. Sometimes it's very difficult. We have to fight against some of the suppliers we have, but ultimately we always come down on the side of the customer to give them what they need, because that's what will generate future business from those customers to us, and also in terms of referenceability. So we want people to say good things about us. So it is all about bending over backwards to make sure that we supply customers with the services and pricing that they need.